Hello, this is D.R.C. I'm going to do a quick video on a secondary fluid valve. This valve here is used for glycol. You can see here's our valve. There's our wire coming off the top of the valve going over to the controller, controlling the amount of glycol flowing through the evaporator coil. So there's a secondary fluid controller. What I'm going to show you is how an SMA tool gets used. So here's our SMA tool made by Sporlan. Open and close, we're going to set it for 200 steps. And I have wires connected to mine, different colors, and alligator clips. And I have my wire harness, which comes over to here, and it ties into the top of the valve here. This is an SFVT9 less cable. And we have this screwed on here. This just pops on in any direction, so you could just pop it on. This is the plug to the fluid control valve motor. There's a little, you can see on the four corners, there's a little space, and there's a little nub on this one here at the bottom right there, you'll see it. That goes onto this plug. And this plug can go on in any direction. The motor doesn't care, so you can put it in any way you want to. Just turn it till it seats, pop it in, and tighten it up. There you go. All right, all done. Let's go ahead and take the valve apart. And then I have my alligator clips connected to the different color wires. When we open this valve, push this open valve, and you'll see the lights blinking. That means it's opening, and when it's open all the way, the light pattern will change. Right there, you see the center two lights. See how they're all white and red? As soon as it hits all the way open, watch the two center lights. Boom, they turn red. So that means it's open all the way. And we'll go ahead and close it now. So when this valve here opens, the plunger goes up this way and stops up here. Now we're going to close it. The plunger is going to come down and stop down here. So we'll close it. Watch the lighting pattern. And you can hear the valve. It's humming. There you go. It's hit bottom, so it turns red in the middle. So right there, red and white, they look like radishes. Radishes. And then as soon as it turns red, pomegranate red, there you go, that means it's closed. So I'm going to show you what's inside this valve. I'm going to unscrew this. And you can see this valve is closed. That means that that port there is pushed all the way in, hitting the seat right here. So now we're going to open the valve. We'll go to open. Open the valve. You see it retracting back in. Watch the lights. Retracting back in. As soon as it comes all the way in and it seats all the way open, you'll see the two red lights in the middle change color. There you go. Valve's closed. I'm at wide open. And now we'll close the valve. And you don't want to extend this all the way out unless it's in the valve, because it can overrun itself and you can ruin the mechanism inside there. So I'm going to take it that far there, and that's about it. So that's my quick little video on the SMA 12 tool made by Sporlan to open and close this valve for diagnosing and technical work and testing it. So we'll go ahead and we'll run this back in. Open. Keep going back in. And there you go. So that's all the way back in. Usually on these types of valves, if they send you out to replace one, you don't have to replace the whole body. You usually just take off the top here and put the new one in, tighten it up, make sure it doesn't leak, and you're good to go. And this is just, it just comes with the body. So that's my video on an SMA valve for a SFVT9 fluid control valve. And this is the SMA 12. Okay, that's about all I got on this one here. Have a great day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.